Now with that knowledge we have learned, it's time to build something amazing. Imagine that you work for a company where a group of people work with specific files which cannot have tabs or spaces at the beginning or at the end of lines. So your boss asks you to create script for checking if there is no space or tab at the beginning or at the end of each line. And also, that script should be able to fix possible issues. That means remove any space or tabs at the beginning or at the end of each line. So when I, for example, check file hello.txt, I see graphically where the spaces and tabs are present. And in addition, I also see line numbering. So here I have 8 lines and bunch of errors. But I should be able to fix it. How? Let's use parameter h for help. So I see that using parameter -f or --fix, I can fix space issue. So let's try it. I see printed fixing spaces and tabs at the beginning and at the end of lines. Then I see content of the file with no error and message with green background done. So fix is done. Let's recheck it. We don't see any issue now. Great. So let's create some errors. So I will add few spaces, some tab. On another line I am adding few spaces, and also I can add more tabs next to each other. And one space here. And we can save the file. Now we can run our script, and if we run it, we see where the errors are. Great! So let's fix it. I will now, instead of -f parameter, use parameter -fix. As both of them do the same, and I see message done. When I recheck, I don't see any space issue. Great, it works perfectly. I can, of course, use another location. For example, I can check password file. I don't see any red warning here. So password file doesn't have any space or tab at the beginning or at the end of each line. So in following lectures, we will build this script step by step. We will use a lot of SED features, and we will definitely practice regular expression here a lot. Basically, we will use knowledge we have learned about bash scripting and combine them with SED.